Welcome back, traders. In this video, I'll be discussing my weekly XAU gold price predictions using a comprehensive approach. I'll analyze price action on different time frames, examine price action patterns. We are going to interpret COT report data. We are also going to explore footprint, or you can say this one, the order flow analysis, and we are going to consider open interest data also. By combining these techniques, I'll aim to provide valuable insights so that we can make informed decisions in upcoming trading sessions. So if you are following me in my Telegram channel, and if you are following me in my recent prediction video, you know that we generally start with the latest COT report. So this one right here is the latest COT report that we have. I already said one copy of this in Telegram channel in early morning today. And before discussing on this latest COT report, let me show you the number on the previous COT report. So if you remember, in the previous prediction video we discussed these number. We generally discuss the numbers from the managed money because they are the smart player. So if you look at their positions, this one from the previous week. So in previous week we have seen that they reducing their long contract, or you can say they are pulling money from their long contracts. But in the previous week we have seen that they also are reducing some quantity from their short. So overall the sentiment was bearish, but the total sentiment was not bearish. Like the overall sentiment, we can say, is somewhat sideways, and we have seen that on previous week. Why? Because if we look this on this one, our candlestick chart, you can clearly see that overall we, if we look at this week range, from this one is the Monday trading session, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and this one previous day, or you can say Friday. So price open right over here, and let me connect power to my. So in Monday we price open right over this price and close right here. So overall the week was flat. So as you can see, after opening from here, price tested the lower support near this level 193035 range, because that was a good support on higher time frame. After this we have seen a good bullish run, but in yesterday trading session we have seen a big decline, and overall price closed near to the one price of week. Overall the scenario was sideways, and we already discussed that in previous week, because the sentiment was bearish to sideways, because their positions is not much indicating in the favor of a bearish side. But if we look to the latest COT report, uh, there is some hint from their positions. So if we look at the numbers in the longs, they are still covering their long. So one hint is like they are pulling money from the long, and this is a bearish sign. Second, they are also adding in the money in the short, but the position is not much that bigger. But yes, they are now adding in the short, and they covering their long, and previously they already covered their long. So overall sentiment for the upcoming week in terms of COT is bearish now. We can clearly say that the trend is bearish as per this data, and we already discussed this on weekly range, sorry, on this, yes, on yearly range. This is the year range. If we look at this right here, this is the yearly range, and the net long position is at the highest right over here, and now it is going down. So overall the net long position is decreasing, and we can expect some decline as per the COT report. And if we talk in terms of price action on higher time frame, this is 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that price, after testing this lower support area right here, and after a small false breakdown, price rebound from this area and tested this higher level, or you can say the bigger resistance area of 198085. And after that we have seen a good sharp decline, because we have seen the numbers from the fundamental numbers, like from NFP and other datas was in the favor of DXY, and the same impacted the gold price, and currently it is under big selling pressure, and it is going to go down toward this support again, and the lower support is right here, 1930 to 35 range. So this is the overall price action pattern, or you can say the price action structure, and it is very simple to watch and very simple to interpret, because price is going to go down after hitting this resistance. So what are the possible scenario for intraday level that we are going to discuss on this chart? So this is 30-minute chart on gold. So what are the important factors that we can consider? So as per the overall scenario, uh, and if we look on the daily candle, the daily is a good bearish candle. So after decline and after a breakdown of this support trend line and current scenario, we are below to next day CPR. This one right here. This one is the next day CPR, or you can say tomorrow CPR. And if we look on the price action behavior, we can expect a rise of price and we can expect a test toward this level. And generally, price get rejected from CPR. And if that happen, we are going to take sell entry toward the lower support level around this level, 1930 to 35. So overall, the sentiment is bearish. So we are going to look for the sell opportunities only. So if price is able to break out the CPR range and able to break out R1, then we can look for the buy entries, because the buy entries only safer about to CPR range. Or if we see a big bullish candle, and if we see confirmations on a higher time frame like H4 or above, then we can look for buy opportunities. Otherwise, buy is limited as per the current structure. So we are going to take short entry as per the current market close. So if price get rejected from here, bottom central, then we are going to look for short entry. And if you want to take extra confirmation, let it go up and then let it break down the Friday low, and we can enter right here toward the lower level. For buy, I think we have to wait it to break out the upper range, and then we can look for buy or say buy. Otherwise, there is an opportunity in buy, but we are not going to consider that in case of price action. Also, if we look at the daily range or daily candle pattern, you can clearly say we have a big bearish engulfing right here on the daily, and we can expect further decline toward the lower level. And if we look at the open interest data, this one right here, right immediate resistance on open interest is 1950. As you can see, a good number of call put writing, and below that 1940 and 1935 range also is a good support on intraday level. Then so we have to consider these levels also. And if we are going to look at the data from the order flow, or you can say the footprint, you can see that we have a good selling imbalance right over this zone on gold future chart right here, and this is a good resistance now. So if we synchronize this on plain candlestick chart, the time at of this candle, this is 30-minute, is 21:30, and if we look it on candlestick chart, this one is right here, this candle. So this candle is right here. So this is also a resistance area to watch. So if price is able to flip this level, then we can expect a bullish move. Otherwise, price is going to go down. So we are going to discuss these market structure and these price levels in live trading session in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.